Hola clase, this is your e-learning warm-up and lesson overview for today. The date for this e-learning lesson and overview is for Wednesday, January 30th, 2019. We're home today because it is so cold, and so we are going to have class from the comfort of our own homes today. First, we will start with la fecha. Hoy es miércoles, el 30 de enero 2019. Go ahead and read the date. Muy bien. Now we'll move on to yesterday's date. Ayer fue martes, el 29 de enero 2019. Go ahead and give yesterday's date a try. Muy bien. Now we'll try tomorrow's date. Mañana es jueves, el 31 de enero 2019. Try tomorrow's date. Excelente. All right, so here is an overview of the lesson that you will be having today. Escucharemos a una historia. Esta historia es sobre una chica y su familia. La historia se llama La Familia Hernández. You may want to take notes during this story. You will take a 20-question quiz after listening to this story. So you also may want to just have your notebook handy for some family vocabulary. There are no words or pictures during the telling of this story. You will only be hearing me speak the story. So we haven't done that, but I want to see how your listening comprehension is. You can go back as many times as you need to and re-listen to the story. And like I said, you may want to jot down some notes about what the young lady in the story says about the members of her family. There are a few words that you may not be familiar with or that may not be familiar to you in this story. So here is what they mean. The first one is apartamento, and that is just an apartment. The second one is cerca, and that means close. So like if I would say, mi casa es cerca de el parque, that would mean my house is close to the park. Bicicleta is bicycle. The very last question of the quiz is going to ask you to write a sentence about how many siblings you have. You will use the verb tener, which means to have, to write that sentence. The yo form of tener in the present tense is tengo. This is an irregular conjugating verb. We were supposed to take notes on that verb yesterday, or actually on Monday, but that didn't happen. So I am telling you, you will be using this conjugation right here of the verb tener, which is tengo. Here's an example sentence using the verb tener in the yo form. Yo tengo dos gatos y un perro. And you can see that that means I have 2 cats and 1 dog. Remember, if you need any help on your e-learning, send me a message via Canvas or email me. My email address is right here. All right, also remember to do your par empezar for this week. You are still responsible for any days that we miss. Buena suerte and stay warm. Adios, clase.